Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're doing a what I eat in a day. I filmed my coffee and stuff this morning, but I've yet to eat breakfast because I was doing a ton of homework that I had to do. So now I'm getting a little bit of a late breakfast, almost like a brunch situation. But I'm gonna show you what I eat pretty much every day. It's very simple, very easy, not at all pretty. It's like quite literally just like healthy toast and eggs. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm eating today. Okay, this is the bread that I use. It's very low in like carbs. I don't really do it for that. I more do it for the protein and the fiber in it, but it's so good. I usually get the seeded one, but I wanted to try just like the original white flavor. But yeah, the protein in it is so good. For 2 slices, it's 13 grams of protein, which is so good. And then I also think it's, yeah, 7 grams of fiber per slice as well. So I have a little bit of butter in my pan. I'm gonna fry my eggs today. Honestly, if I am being really lazy, I'll just do them in the microwave or I'll boil them. But today I feel like frying them, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just use free run eggs. I'm using 2 of these guys. And then I'm gonna fry up some of this like veggie ham as well. I usually have about like 4 slices of that. So my toast just popped. Look, hot. And then I use these little Laughing Cow Light, and I just spread them on my toast. Okay, those look pretty done to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those on my toast. Look how good this looks. It's called Kiev cake. I've never had it before, but apparently it's like a Ukrainian cake, and it looks like meringue almost. I literally just finished my breakfast, but this looks so good. I really want to try it. There's like nuts in there, and it's kind of like meringue. And then I feel like this is like whipped cream in the middle. That's so good. Just making some Earl Grey tea for me, and then this immune tea for my boyfriend because he's kind of sick right now. Then I'm also taking these little supplements for my skin right now. They have vitamin A, vitamin C, and DIM in them, and they're supposed to help treat your hormonal acne or just acne with like in general. So I take 2 of these in the morning and 2 of these at night with food. So I'm gonna take those and make my tea. Okay, it's been quite a few hours now and I'm hungry again, so I'm gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna make some like little lettuce wraps. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use tempeh for the inside or if I'm gonna do tuna. I really need to get my Botox redone. Oh my god. Okay guys, it's a little bit later now. I'm drinking a Zevia cream soda and I am not having dinner right now because my stomach is like in nervous knots. I don't know if you guys follow me on TikTok, but a little while back I posted about really wanting to get out of my comfort zone and like stop my social anxiety. So I booked into an acting class, which is like literally never something I would do, but I really want to just like get out of my comfort zone, my little bubble, and do something like so incredibly uncomfortable. So I've been so nervous about it all day. It's literally the only thing I've been thinking about. So it starts in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave my house now, and then I'll probably eat on the like when I'm done. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. Maybe I'll get something like to treat myself, or maybe I'll eat my like meal prep in the fridge. But anyways, that's what's going on. So I probably won't eat until like 9:30, 10 because it's not done till like later. But yeah, that's the late meal reasoning today. Hey you guys, I just got back from my acting class and it's 10:30 now. I'm ravenous. I didn't stop for a little treat because I was like saving money, and I do have stuff here that I can eat. So I'm just gonna make a little tahini sauce to go on my like meal prep bowls because the sauce is out now that I prepped. But it's very like basic stuff. It's just pre-chopped red cabbage, pre-cooked quinoa, and then I have a bunch of kale, and then this is sweet potato and chickpeas and tempeh. So I'm just gonna throw that all together and then I'll show you what it looks like.
Make the sauce.
Yeah, it's right there. I got out the ingredients. Okay, you guys, here's the bowl that I have. We just made some fresh tahini maple dressing. So I'm just gonna be generous with that because it's literally so good. And yeah, I'm gonna eat that, and then I might have something sweet, I mean not, but I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna sit down and eat this now. I'm sitting here editing, realizing I didn't film an outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll have that recipe card in the description below. It's so good. We made it like every night this week. Make sure to subscribe, comments, like. Can you see my boyfriend waving in the background? Like this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
I was trying to be like, comment down below.